Hello, 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 everyone. Good afternoon. We are live. We are live. And I tell you guys, we got some action going on in these markets over here. Plenty of action going on in the markets. I'll let some people join the stream, but we'll just jump right into this one right here. And over here, I have Google Finance. This is our little watch list here. If you guys would like to add stocks to this watch list, let me know in the comments, and we can add stocks to this watch list, and we can just see how things are going, see how things are fluctuating. Hey, how's it going, Sun Angel D? What is good? What is good, everyone? What is good? Oh, we got some pain in the markets today. We got some pain in the markets. Let's go over here and look at who is looking really down on this list. Sundial Growers is looking 6% up, 5%. Look like Latch is down 5%. Looks like that's the worst performing one. Coinbase, look at Coinbase. No, AMC. Looks like AMC is going to be the lowest on this list. But we already know what's up with AMC. AMC is a big pump and dump type stock. We also have. Actually, let's go to Coinbase. I was looking for something that was on the downtrend. But yeah, let's look at Coinbase here. Wow, Coinbase is looking good right now. So let's look at it for the past month. Yeah, for the past month, Coinbase is on the uptick. Now, you guys got to think Coinbase is going to go with crypto. So if crypto is doing bad, Coinbase is not going to be doing good. I mean, bottom line, Coinbase is not going to be good. What is going on, Dr. Green? What is up? What is up in the stream? How are you today? I haven't even talked to you like all day. I'm talking to you on stream. Did we message? I don't think so. No, we haven't messaged all day today. What's up? Dang, it's like my Twitch people on here. Like, that's what's up. Just driving. I just got back home. Just got back home just to do, a quick live stream and talk about different things going on here. This is a slow starting process, but I'm just gonna dive right into it. Ooh, guys, what about Planet 13? Rough. Now, Planet 13 is not a dog company, by the way, but Planet 13 is a marijuana producer here in the U.S. There's a lot of Canadian companies that are, really big into the whole cannabis industry. Because what the Canadian companies do is they come down and get listed on the American Stock Exchange, and that's kind of cool. But the American companies, go through all the federal regulation and all that stuff. I thought I was thinking you need some Elon FaceTime Dogecoin exclusive emojis. Oh, you're a trip with your Dogecoin emojis. What about Dogecoin? That's a good question. What about Dogecoin? I don't think let's see what happens if I type in Doge. No, this is just stocks only. Oh. Oh, check this out. Oh, it shows up. So look at Dogecoin, yo. This can't be for the 6 month. I thought Dogecoin went all the way to like 70 cents. Okay, this chart is wrong because I remember Dogecoin going to like 70 cents. Oh, you can't see my screen, audio only. Oh, okay, audio only. Yes. Save that money. Yes, save that money. Okay, what is another big mover? Okay, guys, let's talk about Oatly. What do you guys think about Oatly? Once again, this is a stock that I don't hear anyone talk about. No one talks about on YouTube, which is kind of cool. It has a $13 billion market cap, and I don't know. I could definitely see Oatly going to 100 billion. It sounds really bullish, but I could see it going to 100 billion. I mean, I don't see it going to 100 billion tomorrow, but the thing about Oatly is, hey, it's a lot of coffee shops. It's a lot of restaurants they can put their products in. It's a lot of places they can put their products in. And unlike Beyond Meat, Oatly is Oatly is something that you add to other things. It's not like Beyond Meat where you're replacing it. You're eating something. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain, but like people will try different milk in their coffee before they will try a plant-based meat. And I'm not saying here I'm selling all my Beyond shares and I'm just gonna go YOLO Oatly. No, that's not exactly what I'm doing. But what I'm saying is, yo, Oatly, I think Oatly could be a sleeping one, yo. I think Oatly could be a sleeping one. Palantir, Palantir is down. Oh, actually, I want to follow Palantir. This is I don't know if anyone out there jump on the Palantir bandwagon. Did anyone out there jump on the Palantir bandwagon? I avoided this one. I avoided this one because I said, yo, it's just not very simple. And, yeah, they do government contracts, but like, I don't know. It's a little confusing for me. And, yeah, I mean, I mean, I could have researched, but like, if it's very, very difficult to just to figure out right off the bat, like, I don't know. I'm just probably not going to be into it. And look at where this one went. It's down for now. It is down. Jason Perry. Yo, like I've never seen so many Twitch people like on this stream. Like it's kind of cool. My Twitch numbers are they're kind of low. I think they're low because you need like an average of like 3 people per stream per month. And I stream quite often, and there's like when I do the really really long streams, there's not a lot of people in those streams. So I need like 3 people all the time, to watch, which is kind of difficult because like it's not like I like make dedicated content for Twitch. I like make content and then just pop it to Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube. But I am not putting this one on Facebook. This one is just for. This is just for Twitch. Let's see. Upwork. Upwork is down. Yo, anybody out there want me to check out some stocks over here? Throw in some in the chats here. Let's talk about some. Oh, look at this Workhorse, yo. You want to talk about some deals? Look at Workhorse. Now, Workhorse, what happened with them? They were going really big on these government contracts. A lot of people were really, really hyped on Workhorse for government contracts with the post office, right? Well, those contracts didn't go through. Just because they didn't go through, don't mean that a year from now, 6 months from now, they don't have some other deal come up with the post office where that maybe they could get some, maybe they can get a contract with the post office or something. Or who's to say that other logistics companies don't say, hey, yo, we need some extra vans, and Workhorse makes electric vans. We're going to jump in and buy some Workhorse vans. Workhorse is not one that I really want to add to my portfolio. But one thing I will say, if Workhorse continues to fall, because right now this is a good price. This is a good price because Workhorse was what? Yeah, like $60. No, $40 at one point. Workhorse was a stock. I remember when I first saw Workhorse, it was really low. It was below this $15 here. It was below I want to say Workhorse was like $5 a share or something like that when I first saw Workhorse. Let me go to yeah, I want to say like Workhorse was like under $5 a share because I remember it jumped to like $8. And I didn't buy a Workhorse at $8 just because I was like, whoa, did you just see like it went from like nothing to like $8 in a matter of no time? That's why I didn't buy Workhorse. And then it went from, it just went all the way up, to like what, $40? And then it just sort of crashed here. It just crashed. Yeah. I've been waiting for a Workhorse. Yeah, their investors fell through. Yeah, Workhorse definitely hit some bumps in the road. They definitely hit some bumps in the road. But you know what? You want to talk about another company that hit some serious bumps in the road. We can just talk about here, Nikola. I call him Nikola. Nikola. Well, if you actually look at both of these stocks, Nikola and Workhorse, they kind of look a little similar, yo. Check this out. Don't they look a little similar? Look at this right here. Doesn't that look very similar? Like the initial pop happened almost about the same time for both of these, for Workhorse and Nikola. Wow. Everybody subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 today. Yes, we should. We should get to 1,000, and we should get the watch time to 4,000 hours. Because if we get the watch time to 4,000 hours, that'd be pretty cool because that means I could go both on give it my best on both channels, because definitely I'm gonna put more stuff on the other channel because that channel is monetized and this channel is not. But if they were both like monetized, it'd be equal. So yeah, come on over. Come on over. I want to add Nikola. I know, like I annoy people by calling it Nikola. Let's go back. GameStop. Tattoo Chef. Ooh, Tattoo Chef. Here's another one. Ooh. Tattoo Chef had a haircut today. You call that a haircut? Yeah, it got shaved today. Holy moly. That's actually not bad though. Let's see. CCL. Check out Carnival Cruise. This is a stock that is this is a recovery stock here. So we got Carnival. They're on the downturn today. Now the reason why I'm checking out Carnival is a different stock. Carnival has been one of those stocks. It's got beat up for the past year and a half. It's been beat up because of the pandemic. They lost a lot of money because they were shut down the whole time. They basically couldn't they couldn't make money. So now since since things are opening back up, I don't know for sure if people can go cruising yet, but they're it's people soon it will go back to normal, but right now it's definitely taking a beating. For the past year, ooh, like honestly, I would avoid all like me. I like to avoid all the travel stocks. I like to avoid them all. The cruise stocks, the airline stocks. hotel stocks. I just really like to avoid them. If I do invest in a stock that's like a travel related stock, it's gonna be like maybe Uber or Lyft or something along those lines. What about Neo? What about Neo? Neo, I miss Neo. I miss Neo, but that's okay. That's completely okay that I miss Neo. I remember seeing Neo when it was about $2 a share, and I'm not upset that I miss Neo because instead of buying Neo for $2 a share, I bought Blink Charging at $2 a share. So that's why I'm not upset. Either I would have bought either one, and either one pretty much did the same thing. Neo actually is a little bit higher today compared to um Blink Charging. It's only a little bit. It's only a little bit higher. Jamal, you're a market expert or just guessing? No, this is for entertainment purposes. Like I am not telling anyone to buy stocks. I'm not telling anyone to do anything. I'm just sitting around talking about stocks, comparing different companies, talking about market caps, talking about this and that. I'm not telling people to go YOLO all your money in the stock market. I'm just talking about the stocks and like what's been going on today. And pretty much that's what I'm doing. No, I'm not an expert. I don't want people to think I'm an expert. This is why I'm not wearing a suit. As you can tell, I'm not wearing a suit. So I'm not trying to make people think I'm an expert. Like I'm sitting around with regular clothes on. So I'm not acting like an expert. I ain't posing to be an expert. I'm just this for entertainment purposes, yo. You can learn things, watching stuff for entertainment purposes. You can definitely learn. I make a lot of entertainment videos and people learn from them. I make skateboarding videos in San Francisco and people learn the city from my entertaining skateboarding videos. So yeah, something can be entertaining and you can definitely still learn from it. Um, I like listening to people's perspective of the stock market. Yeah, people definitely have different perspectives of the stock market. Yes, people definitely have different perspectives. And people also like different stocks for different reasons. And also, if you notice, if you follow like different people online and you talk about stocks, you'll notice that certain people will talk about certain stocks and like certain people will buy certain stocks and like you may follow someone else and like they're the same way. Like it's these stocks they talk about, these stocks they're bullish on. So it's just going to be very, very different with each creator and each person that's doing the live stream live stream. um let's see, what about Churchill Capital? What do you guys think of Churchill Capital? It's not letting me pull it up. There we go. Yeah, what do you guys think of Churchill Capital? Churchill Capital is the SPAC for Lucid. Look, yeah, Churchill Capital is looking. No, when I say I'm not talking about the stock, I'm talking about like what do you guys think of Lucid? Like the actual, what do you guys just think of Lucid? You think it's good? You like their products? You like the cars? Like we're just not even looking at the stock price. The stock price is here, but I'm just curious. Like, what do you guys think? And then, do you guys think that Lucid could someday be the one, or be a one, or be something along the lines? Like, you think one day Lucid could be like legit? Like, you think it can be, lots of Lucid cars riding around the city? Me, I'm not that big a fan of Lucid products. Like, I mean, I'm not, but like to cars, is to each its own. I may like Tesla, and you may not like Tesla. You know, you may like Mercedes or Ford, and I really don't like Mercedes, and I really don't like Ford. So like it's just to each its own. But For me, that's just something that I like to think about. Like, do I like the product? Like, do I like the product? If I don't like the product, chances are I am not going to invest in it. Like, I am not going to invest if I don't like actually like the product, or if I don't like the idea. Because there are some things that I have invested in. I don't necessarily like the product, but I kind of like their idea. I like their innovation. I like their thinking outside of the box. But maybe I don't like what they're producing at all. A couple, yeah, a couple companies I can name. I know someone's watching. I don't want to say anything because I don't want to get in trouble here. This market is unstoppable. Yes, the market is unstoppable. Well, I mean, look at the market right now. Yeah. So we're still up. We are still we're still doing good. It wouldn't. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Have you guys see something here? Let's look at this 1 month chart. Do you see something that's going on here? Okay, we begin at 34. We're still at around 34, but let's go to this 6 month chart. Looks like it kind of got it like this 34 right around here, April, and we're still at 34. Okay. Now from the surface, that kind of looked bad, right? But you know what could happen? What if we trade like this for like the next year? We trade around 32, 36 for the next like year. Could you imagine that? Could you imagine that? Now that don't mean that you ain't gonna that don't mean that do not mean that you will not be able to make money. You'll still be able to make money because you're gonna have some stocks going up and you're gonna have some stocks going down. Oh, a stock I want to go look at real fast is DBX. Dropbox, guys. Yo, this is a slow creeper right here. Do you think the US stock market performance will ever surpass the performance of Zimbabwe's or Venezuela's stock market? What do you mean? You mean with how the inflation happened and then everything started to go up? Is that what you're talking about? Or kind of the, oh, well, I think something's okay, guys. I think cryptocurrency may help out inflation. Okay. I honestly think that cryptocurrency can help out with inflation. Like, this may sound insane, but like, how they're like printing money like crazy, right? So the more money that they print, the more dollars in circulation. So the more money they print, that means that the dollar has less buying power. But with cryptocurrency, they're printing money. But when people take that money, they take the dollars and they buy cryptocurrency. Have you ever thought about this question? Where does that money go? Like, where do those dollars go? Like, where do those dollars go? Like, when someone buys like $100,000 in Bitcoin, where do the dollars go? Right? Well, one theory is the dollars are just like they're held somewhere, right? But they're not in circulation because I guess they're held at like whatever broker it is. Like the money would be held at the broker or whatever. But basically, that money would not be money like being in circulation. It would be to people selling Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, it does go to people selling Bitcoin. It does go to people selling Bitcoin. But think about this though. It's no, it's not okay. I totally get what you're saying. It goes to the people selling Bitcoin, but no, 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 no. It actually doesn't go to people selling Bitcoin because you got to think about the new Bitcoin that's created, right? There's new Bitcoin created like every day. There's new not every there's new like Bitcoin created, right? That new Bitcoin being created, the dollars that go for that Bitcoin, like where do those dollars go? Like to new Bitcoin that's being hashed, right? So there's this whole theory that these dollars go to, like they're basically taken out of circulation. When these dollars are taking, when these dollars are taken out of circulation to the people who mind it, yeah, but to the people who mind it, I get it. The money goes to the people who mind it. But the money doesn't go to the people who mind it. Bitcoin goes to the people. Okay, let's get beyond that because I'm going to sit here and trip out. But basically, there's this whole theory of when they print money, when they continue to print money, it's going to inflate the crypto market, right? So those dollars are going to leave the US, like the US economy, and they're going to go to like the crypto market. When it goes to the crypto market, that's going to lower the amount of dollars in circulation. So once the crypto market gets to a certain level, like once it gets big enough to a certain level, then it'll be less dollars in the market, right? But then people will be happy because the people that are holding crypto are going to be like, fuck yeah, crypto is worth so much more. And like I've been holding on to my crypto for all of this time, you know? And those people are not going to sell their crypto back for dollars. Okay. Those people are not going to sell their crypto back to dollars, meaning that like all those dollars are going to be basically out of circulation. And the people with crypto are going to keep their crypto. And that's why you see like people buying Lamborghinis with crypto. They didn't take the crypto and go get dollars and then buy the Lamborghini. No, they bought the Lamborghini with crypto. So that's kind of how I see where it's going. That's kind of how I see where it's going. Dollars don't disappear. I totally agree. They don't disappear. They don't disappear, but they're out of circulation. That they're out of circulation. See, when you take dollars and put it in the stock market, it's still like counted like as money in the stock market because like that's all in dollars. But crypto is like not really in dollars. The dollars would bid up the products for the CPU if there were no crypto. Huh. Like, honestly, like I have to think about that for a second because that's like a crypto like type question. The dollars would bid up the products. You mean the dollars would bid up the mining products? I mean, that's already happening. I mean, look at the freaking go to Nvidia.com. Like look at their prices, yo. Bitcoin. Bitcoin BTC. What do y'all think about BTC? I think that it's very odd. I'm going to end this stream pretty soon, less than 5 minutes. I'm going to end this stream. But guys, check this out. I think it's very odd that Bitcoin is right about the same level as when Tesla bought Bitcoin. I just think that that's a little odd, okay? Like, just I'm not no conspiracy theories here, but Tesla bought Bitcoin around 34,000, around 30,000 to 35,000. That's when Tesla bought their Bitcoin. And I think that it's just weird that it hasn't really went below that number. I'm not saying that it won't, I'm not saying it can't, but it just hasn't done that yet, you know. But actually, Ethereum is something that's pretty cool to pay attention to. But also like Ethereum, it's like this, that, Ethereum, that the prices of the products in the consumer index don't increase as much as they would if there was no crypto to observe the dollars, as you said. Yeah, I think that's what's going on with the crypto market. I think crypto is literally taking up dollars and it's sucking dollars like out of the markets. That is why there's not inflation, like mad inflation. That's why, like, I mean, think about how much money they printed last year. Like, don't you think things would have went up? Like when I go to Target, yeah, we can say, yeah, things have went up. And yeah, maybe some prices have went up, but nowhere where the prices should have went up. You know what I mean? Versus the dollars they printed. Yes, housing definitely went up. Um, the stock market definitely went up. But something else that did not go up, and I want you guys to think about this. This is real talk. I want you guys to think about something real fast. Think about how home values went up 20, 30% throughout most places in the US. Home values went up 20 to 30%. You know why home values went up 20 to 30%? Because more people, more people are looking for homes, right? Okay, but think about this. Rent pricing fell by 20% to 30% in major markets, you know, in the US. Now think about that for a second. Real estate prices go up and the rental prices go down. Okay, something's not right. So ask yourself this question. When will the rental pricing go up? Because my whole guess is this. You know how you see these you know how you see these big banks, right? Not big banks. So you see these big banks and you see these hedge funds, right? And the whole word on the street is they're buying up like housing, right? They're buying up like single family homes. Well, some of that is kind of BS. Like they're not down the street in your neighborhood, you know, somebody from the bank trying to buy up like a house in the hood. No, not exactly. They ain't over there. But what they doing, they buying up like large apartment complexes and stuff. Maybe they're buying up like tract homes that are like being developed like as they're brand new, right? So when these people go and buy up these units, maybe that is why they are aggressively buying up single family homes, and maybe that's why apartment buildings are going super hot right now, because maybe they are banking on rent pricing going up in the future, which is kind of scary. You know, kind of scary. Like, how much will it go up? Will it go up 50%? Will it go up 30%? Will it go up 10%? Biden boom in full effect. I don't know about a Biden boom here in full effect, but it's definitely a lot of funny, fishy stuff going on in the markets, yo. Wow. A lot, a lot, a lot. But anyway, guys, what a mouthful, what a mouthful full. Thought I'm going to end this stream. Now, tomorrow, I will not stream. I will not live stream on this channel because I'm going to do a 8-hour or a 10-hour or a 12-hour live stream on the other channel. That is why I'm not, that's why I'm not going to live stream on this channel tomorrow. But on Friday, Friday morning, I'll live stream in the morning. Friday evening, I'll live stream in the evening. But rough. But anyway, guys, I am going to wrap this one up. Thanks a lot for coming along. Thanks a lot for hanging out with this journey. I'll definitely make more videos on this channel, more live streams. We'll talk about this and that in the markets, and yeah. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Wow, I'm so happy to see so many people from Twitch here. Like, there's more people from Twitch here than there are YouTube. So I can't wait to look at my Twitch numbers after this stream to see if like they actually went up, you know. But cool. Anyway, love all of you guys. Have a great day. Be safe. Peace.